Looky, looky what came in the mail. The old DRZ mirrors showed up today. I replaced them. One I broke, and let me give a little product review of some cheap Amazon mirrors. Not too bad, fairly clear. Looks like it's glass, not plastic. Outer shell's plastic, but the mirror itself seems to be glass. Well, didn't lose my nut right there. Alright, we'll keep that on. The other one is not damaged. Beautiful. From this to this. I believe the stock mirror was a 17. These are the same fit. Good deal. Yep, in case you're wondering. 17mm wrench. Same as the stock mirrors for the cheap Chinese mirrors. Well, let's put these bad boys on and go ride. Alright y'all, well that was simple. 17mm wrench. Mirrors are installed. Quick and easy. Quick and simple. They look pretty good. Go out for a little cruise and see how clear they are on the road and see if they stay put. See if the wind knocks them around. They got a little pizzazz about them. I believe these will be a winner.